today. I know there's a really high bar for me to take on, but I'm gonna climb that mountain and I'm gonna let you know in 20 minutes, I will do my best to give you what my idea of the AI, then I will have some giveaway. This is about me. You say, Mei, why are you here talk about AI? I had the privilege to work for one of the company who is a leading expert of the AI. Everybody heard about ChatGPT? The company owned by the ChatGPT owned by OpenAI. Who is a big investor of OpenAI? Microsoft. Unfortunately, I was in the dark side. So with Microsoft, I actually have an opportunity to do AI, understand what ChatGPT, the LLM, NLP, all those things in last years before everybody have an opportunity. That's the reason I'm here today. We're gonna talk about AI power tool. You talk about higher view, you talk about ChatGPT, you talk about different things today. You heard a lot of tools. I am going to share, at the end, if you connect me through LinkedIn, I'm making sure I share the list of the tool for you. The list of tool about what is a ChatGPT, of course. If you don't know ChatGPT, I'm worried about you a little bit, okay? Then what is the other tool in AI you can use? And what is the potential? For example, we're gonna talk about citizen development. How many of you know about citizen development? Okay, if you heard of citizen development, how many of you use citizen development tool and development app? You're like, that is not my expertise. I am project manager. That is so wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, as a project manager, you or project management, program management professional, you have to know about citizen development tool. Yes, I'm gonna use, unfortunately, Microsoft as an example. Then we're gonna talk about the risk. You cannot talk about AI without talking about risk, without talking about ethics. We're gonna have a very high level. Of course, if I can say anything like that, 20 minutes in the Harvard Review Business D, I will be winning Nobel Prize in project management. So today's overview. I have a quick video for you. Hope the video come out. Hope. Inshallah. Video come out? Not working on it. You guys can hear? No. Yes. If no voice, let's cut it. Okay, so it basically talk about one of the hardware behind AI. A lot of people talk about software, talk about innovation, right? One of the most incredible, important hardware. You can hear? Yes. I will talk. I can talk. Just I can use a voice. Just give them the video, but without the audio will be fine. Okay. They couldn't hear me as well? You know, I'm pretty loud. I think if you take out you can hear me, by the way. So one of the things people talk about hardware is about a CPU. This actually is about 2 weeks ago. The CEO of the CPU company has a presentation. This is actually their opening remark video. I know, I steal somebody's video, but at least I didn't quit it, okay? So that video actually talk about what AI can do and talk about the hardware. I'm not talking about hardware today. Can I hear me? Can I hear me? Okay, cut the video. That's okay. Yes. Okay, so don't worry about that video, ladies and gentlemen. So 3 weeks ago, the hardware of the AI transformation is called CPU. The maker of the CPU actually talk about what AI can do, possibly can do. You know how many leaders in AI field has no idea what this gonna take us to? So you can hear Ricardo's session about the Google, the CEO talk about this is bigger than fire electricity, right? Then my question to you is, what do you think AI can do for you? What do you think? Don't listen to me, don't listen to any speaker here today. What do you want AI to do for you? You say, Mei, I have no data. I'm not technical. I don't know how to make AI do what I want to do. That is wrong. That is wrong because you do have the tool. You can actually build a chat box at your company for your project to answer all the questions without using other people, but using the API to use other AI-related power tool. You know how many companies has using ChatGPT and build an API? Okay, building an API. This one? Building API, building related the work for their project team. For their project team to be more efficient. How many of those in your toolbox? AI is not coming. AI is here. How many of you are project management professionals? Just raise your hand. Okay, you believe you are professional, right? How many of you think real estate agent is a cutting edge professional? Oh, no. Oh, I don't have my book here, so you're gonna see me grab something. I actually got this magazine before I come to the conference. This is a magazine sent it by Texas Realtor. Texas Realtor sent this to all the real estate agent professional to say, what are you gonna do with the AI? You are a professional, right? What an exciting opportunity for me to get all the technical difficulty. But I highly recommend everybody join Toastmaster because no matter what you do, what challenge you have, you can still talk. So if you believe you are professional, AI is not coming, AI is here. Even the people still in the house are using AI. Biggest digital transformation in Taiwan, you may say, Mei, Taiwan digital transformation, it's by taxi driver. You're like, no way. Why? If you are a taxi driver, you don't know how to use smartphone, you don't have an app, you have no business, right? AI, same thing. Then AI started 80 years ago. You like say, Mei, I'm not here to tell you history. Use ChatGPT and ask them questions. AI started 80 years ago with our research, okay? In 2016, if you all heard a terror story about Microsoft released Tay, okay, that bad AI, the 16-year girls, and that turned bad because you don't have the data government see. So the good AI can turn into the bad AI. Put some tool in your toolbox. AI will, based on yesterday, Ricardo said, Goldman Sachs say AI gonna take 300 million jobs away. It's not AI taking a job away. It's people using AI gonna take your job away. People gonna using AI to be more productive than you. You're not a creator of AI. You're not a creator of tool, but how you using those tools. The matter is how you're using the tool and how you start using the tool. Citizen development. If you heard of a citizen development, one of the things is actually P&I do a really good job. Not a commercial for P&I. They didn't pay me anything to be here, okay? So citizen development actually the cutting edge idea a few years ago. But people don't believe it. They don't know what that is and how can I using it. Because P&I say, oh, we need to not talking about vendor. Let me tell you, citizen development is for you as a project leader, no matter where you are, to find a way, ask your business owner, what is their pain point? And they has a right, opportunity, ability to create app without IT. Of course, you need some IT to support because our business owner will not understand API, will not understand data lake, will not understand data. those technical terms, but they understand what their pain point. Remember what the question I asked? What is your pain point as a project management professional? Think about it. You're tired of the meeting note. You're tired of sending them reminder and ask for when are you gonna get this done, right? You're tired of putting out things in a OneNote and send an email task. You're tired of continuous follow-up. But can AI do that? Yes. Years ago, if you had Power App, how many of you use Microsoft product? Don't worry, I'm no longer with Microsoft, so the good news, I'm not selling you anything. So if you're using Microsoft product, do you know your subscription? You probably don't know. You don't know, do you have Power App? You don't know you have Power BI. You don't know you have Power Automate. Years ago, if people send me an email and they can detect the language, does that have positive thought and negative input? Years ago, already have that. You say, Mei, it's still really hard to understand because I'm still not technical. Let me tell you something better. Have you heard about Copilot? Copilot is not released yet, but I have an honor to know somebody who is one of the 20 people, 20 group, 20 organizations who use Copilot the past couple months. Copilot is coming. What are you gonna do? You're gonna see Copilot connect with ChatGPT, connect with everything you have in Microsoft 365. When I finish this session, if we have Copilot right now, or if we have Power Automate, the moment I finish that recording, meeting minute already set up. When I call for action, it's not the transcript. It's not your Zoom transcript. It's meeting minute with everybody's voice and recognize different people's voice. As long as I put Muhammad's voice, Zahara's voice, Iris' voice, when we have the meeting done, meeting minute complete, not the script, meeting minute. Second, oh my goodness, I love the challenge. Meeting minutes complete. Action item, have that process flow already set up, send to needing sponsor. Did you have different report every week or every month for your core team and for your executive team because they want different information? As long as you can use citizen developer or different kind of tool to support your AI tool that you can use accessible to you at your work, you don't need to write 3 reports anymore. So you're like, Mei, sounds good. I still have no idea how to use citizen development. There are a couple of things you can do. You can actually go to P&I website. They do have the Citizen Development Business Architect. They have Citizen Development certificate and course. I try it, okay, a little bit boring. But if learning is fun and happy, it's gamification, everybody will love learning. If you are here, I believe you will go do it and understand what is a movement of citizen development. Then you should consider go to different vendor. They are different citizen development tool. Studio X, Microsoft, Power Automate, Power App. Those are options for you. You can actually get those through Microsoft website. I am going to give you a couple gifts, okay? I'm going to give you all the link I have where I got the data. I'm going to give you those links about the Power Automate, Power Platform information for you to considering taking a different certificate, considering understand what is citizen development. When you talk about AI, first people about, can you understand using AI, right? When people talk about accessibility, people talk about data, people talk about the people process tool, okay? The process and the tool is out there. So now, ladies and gentlemen, you are here today. You is the #1 pioneer to show people you can do it in AI because we have risk. I understand we don't go technical about a security architect risk. We talk about risk of you, risk of your people, risk of the people putting the wrong data in ChatGPT. Is that in your secure environment? We are talking about risk of people who don't know how to use AI and break your system. We are talking about risk when you don't have the governancy. We are talking about risk when you don't have the ethic, the data ethic the AI ethics and governance and compliance in your company. You say, May, how can I get those? I know one great mind actually using ChatGPT related LLM tool. Sorry, too many L. LLM tool. To using that to draft their AI policy. You can using that as a base. I think in every AI, even ChatGPT right now, if you ask them any question, they say, hey, this is my recommendation. Please don't eliminate human mind. I think many of you saw this picture. Saw a picture, no, not here. Saw a picture about a commercial company, construction company, say, ChatGPT, help me to finish this building. I think many of you care about AI, definitely saw that picture. ChatGPT cannot help you to build a bridge. But ChatGPT can help the construction project manager has more efficient doing risk management prioritization, more effective with the AI power tool, and you no longer a puppet of writing meeting note. Your project coordinator right now, we're like, okay, where gonna be my job if I don't have those crazy documentation? AI cannot do thinking for you. AI cannot do thinking for each of you. You need to find a more creative way and better idea. As a project changing leader, you need to find a human-centered aspect. How can I lead my team, my people who do the job already with the AI's help? How can I lead my people to hit the next mark? To really get better ROI in everything or have more creative idea in their work. If your project coordinator no longer need to write meeting note, no longer need to check in with your sponsorship, can you spend time and more creative time to build a high performance team? AI cannot build you a psychological safety environment. AI can't. They can give you suggestion. You can say, ChatGPT, what are the suggestions if I want to do the team building event? They can give you some suggestion. You are the one to execute it. And ChatGPT cannot, AI will not destroy unless that's a bad AI, okay? AI will not destroy psychological safety. Who will? Bosses, you, and others. So for you, today we talk about AI, we talk about risk. Maybe none of us are the ethic, governance, or compliance expert, but we can start understand what is AI, what is citizen development can help me and can help my team, and how can I be that leader to have the cutting edge thought, proactive, a breathtaking way to help the team to do more with less. If I can help my coordinator no longer need to do the repeated job, how can I be creatively help that person to go to the next level, be the better exit for the company? AI, again, if you think about the 300 million job, one will be you. I will say, now is the time to learn about Copilot. Now is the time to learn about citizen development. Now is the time to see who has done citizen development in his organization. Can you duplicate that success in yours? I am very lucky to know one of the person who do it, and his name is Michael. Michael is my partner in crime. We meet every Friday, except last Friday when I travel. He's one of the person have the opportunity to see Copilot with Microsoft earlier before we ever see it. When that happens, please do so. We will do more about what Copilot can do, what is a citizen development can do. How many of you say, I would like to save millions of dollars? I will. Every project, right? How about that? Let me give you better. Somebody using AI power tool and citizen development with Power Automate, Power Platform, saving millions of labor hours. I don't even know what I'm gonna do if I have millions of labor hours saved. What do you want to be you? Would that be amazing if that is you in your organization, not saving $1 million, saving millions of labor hours? Realtor, they are embracing AI. Project management, professional, be ready. Ready for your next step, ready for that $1 million million labor hour saving. If one day you hit the billion hour saving, please contact me. I would love to interview you because I would love to know how you get there. Today, I know our session is full with challenge. Full with challenge. I hope AI will not do this to me, right? Full with challenge. And PowerPoint slide doesn't work. It's really good. So I have my QR code. Today, 20 minutes, I cannot do much. But what I can do is, please scan my QR code. If you scan my QR code, say, Mei, I attending your session. Then I will send you video, the link of the YouTube, how I get those data information. I will send you information about Power Platform, send you information about citizen development, and I will send you information about anything you would like to know. Thank you so much. I know I go a little bit long, but technology sometimes fails us. And if you post, please add me through LinkedIn. I would love to connect with you, and I would love to know the great mind who's sitting here today. That means you are the next one to save millions labor hours today. Thank you. Our next speaker worry about microphone issue. Thank you.
No, I would like to thank you.
Oh. Because I don't have my phone, I need you guys take a picture for me. If you do, okay, when you come to United States, come to Dallas, I will give you a special gift and tag me through your LinkedIn. That's a beautiful speaker coin. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you for having me. See you somewhere, okay?